Hey everyone! Welcome back to our series on lesser-known tips for general health care. Some of them are really surprising. Yeah, not what you'd expect. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
If you're struggling to sleep at night, you might want to try listening to the sound of wild animals. According to a brand new study, people who listen to this type of sound before bedtime sleep better and report feeling more rested in the morning. There are various reasons why wild animal sounds may help you sleep better. One of the reasons is that it can help to cut down stress and anxiety levels. Listening to calming music or nature sounds has been demonstrated to lower blood pressure and heart rate, both of which can help you feel more relaxed. Eating turnips can be good for your health in many ways. This vegetable is packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can help boost your immune system, fight inflammation, and protect against various diseases. Turnips are also a great source of fiber, which is important for digestive health. Additionally, this veggie can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote weight loss. Including turnips in your diet is a great way to improve your overall health and well-being. Did you know that jet skiing can actually be good for your health? Jet skiing is an excellent way to get your heart pumping and improve your overall cardiovascular health. Jet skiing requires the use of many different muscles, which means that it can help you build strength and muscle mass. Because jet skiing requires you to constantly adjust your position, it can help improve your balance and coordination. If you are looking for a new activity to try, consider jet skiing. There are many benefits to playing in a band, including good health. Playing music can help reduce stress, improve mental well-being, and even boost immunity. In addition to the health benefits, playing in a band can also be a fun and social activity. It's a great way to meet new people and make new friends. And, of course, it's also a great way to enjoy making music together. So if you're thinking about joining a band, don't hesitate. It could be good for your health in more ways than one.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun. So let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.